I beg. Who sing that song we play before? Play the chorus. Play the chorus.
No, from the beginning now.
No, start them again.
Put up the lights. Organic one, baby, let's make some love tonight.
Stop him.
Oh yeah, I know.
Put up the lights. Ogaranya, something.
Baby.
What I want to ask, what did they off light for? Okay, I don't remember the fellowship. Morning prayer.
No, they won't spray the room.
Oh, mosquito day there. Oh, yeah, gift. Put up the lights.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Continue now.
No, gift today, no, in my language.
I'm a camanamado.
No, I don't know it. They never asked me 27 plus 5.
When I couldn't even work on the last show for today, my name Nanedu. Yeah! And then Easy Bit, when I don't say Easy Bit already, if I the one only, oh God. Now widows, Easy Bit they follow now.
Easy!
Now widows.
It's not possible.
The relations don't tire Easy Bit. Half sex don't tire Easy Bit. Now widows now. Widows.
Why?
I don't know.
What is
this
Easy Bit?
one attraction done there now between Easy Bit and widows.
No, we have to leave for him.
We have to now for you.
No.
Relax. Should be on Friday.
Pastor Tony
more.
On
Friday.
If we wear white cloth.
We don't before you even talk Pastor Tony more. We don't call Pastor Tony more. On Friday, Easy Bit not go there here. We don't say we go send them go Pastor Tony more place because he needs special deliverance.
We do.
We will do it for you. You go. Easy Bit. You go.
You don't
fear
God or man.
You go.
No,
I be
no choice.
Okay.
Because I'm in white cloth. You go take and go.
Anyway, when I welcome on the night show for today.
Nedu, this your glasses.
That is how we roll. Like what?
Egg
roll.
Yeah, Nedu, you dey call space. Why are you looking for it like, hey?
No, you see, my oh God. Yeah, when you are saying all this, you're making me blush. I don't like to blush. Blush on now, not be red.
This your glasses come make you be like something else.
Like what thing?
Like Tom Tom. You like Tom Tom.
Oh,
you
stop it. I don't like people telling me this kind of things. You're going to make me cry.
Especially on a Monday. When you not cry now, take tissue. No cry.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, Nerum, in glasses. Easy, today na Neru fine. You know fine. What didn't happen? Today na Neru na my Neru today.
That is how we roll.
Like aching roll.
Like egg roll.
She said today you be a needle. Before what you be?
My brother, I don't know.
I
be tissue paper before.
No, it can have Neru yours fine. If I ask them, they go send tweet now saying that true, saying they do fine today.
Anyway, before we start
now, make we see this your book.
I don't want stand up. I don't want stand up today.
Not force me.
Please, don't force me to stand up. Don't force me. Don't force me to stand up. Anyway, today's show we get two guests. One guest, two guests.
They do one guest, two guests.
Two guests.
No be guesties. Even me, I know that one.
One guest na singular now.
Now.
Two na guesties now.
No. You make them sound like testies.
Who talk testies here now?
You talk.
Who talk testies here now?
You say one case, two cases.
If na testies, now four testies now of them two. Anyway, the night show for today, we get two guests for night show of today. Una know last week, Monday, we been bring Chike Nwokoye. That guy will be saying sabi where to how to take package your business. Now the guy now.
That's why you wear clothes like this today. You don't need rebranding yourself.
I rebrand myself. I'm rebranding.
You for tell me.
I'm rebranding. I want because I want show and say, Oga Chike, what do you think about this branding? Then the other person will come bring for today's show. Isaiah Ogun State. Sorry, state not the Isaiah Ogun.
Now you name be that.
Ogun.
No,
in Papa, I ain't get to Ogun State.
Okay, so you know what's
now their family I ain't get to Ogun State.
So now Isaiah Ogun State
even
now.
Papa die now, him go take over as the governor of Ogun State. Because oh God, this guy, if you see him head, you go understand what I talk.
How in head? No be that.
No worry. If you see him head, you go understand what I talk.
In black or be jello.
Well, don't run.
Okay.
You go say, Nedu, you tell me. You know I know what I'm doing. I want to be friend name.
I know. I'm the young and I'm trust fan. I think you get it.
The guy na banker. He leave bank work. Maybe they go do marketing. Target come Plenti. Then the guy say, my brother, I can't kill myself.
Yeah.
I can snap photo. Because when okay one come out, he go say, I say, Joe, about your photo, girl. Then you come snap because I get talent for photo. Now so the guy enter photo.
No,
he begin snap photo.
I mean leave this kind. No, they play this kind of rough play. How person go leave bang walk say he snap. You they stand for road, they snap picture.
Wait now, maybe the guy will come. He go tell you a story.
I mean, don't blow.
Before we start the night, relax.
Wait now, you don't know. You know say when he come.
He don't blow. He get one woman. Thank you. Say you remind me. This guy, I know him. Easy bit. One woman, married woman, like you. Where they follow married woman.
Hey!
The married woman come call him. Isaiah, please. I'm celebrating my birthday with women, my friends. We're not going to do it in Nigeria. It's going to be in Dubai. Please come and snap us. The guy can't tell me.
He travel go Dubai.
He travel go with the woman. You and the woman, they sleep for the same room.
Yeah.
Ha! If it's something they do. And the guy come back where he gist me. Yeah, then go from Dubai, then go one island like that.
Yeah?
It's what then do.
But it's okay. Maybe the woman knows saying Papa na Inke Okunstead.
Okay.
Maybe that's why.
The woman is planting. She's sowing seed.
So I didn't go and fall in love. But the woman is supposed to be not ask and question. Because nowadays, before you tell anything too further, you could just ask question.
But before we talk that one, before we know what team Takatim, they make Takatim, they talk that thing. This one happened for inside Uttar Pradesh, for one state where they for inside India. If you guys Google now, Google them.
Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. But the story where happened be say, one husband and wife for inside India, as they non day where they marry them, now the pastor will want marry them because say, na he should ni charenge, no choringe, ne pandersing. Meaning say, will you take Pandarisin as your lawful wedded husband? Then she said, before she go talk yes, then she want ask the guy one question.
One simple question.
Then she come face the guy said, wait, make I remember.
Maybe what
the guy, she come ask the guy.
Friday, what do you mean?
Friday, baby. And then the guy answer. He said 15 plus 6. Then the guy says 17. As the guy talk 17, now so as the guy talk 17, now so she waka come for the wedding. No, say she not marry the guy again.
Why she confess?
She said she not marry the guy again.
But maybe na name first
people, family people call her and beg. Say no, say she not go marry. Say the guy na illiterate. Why he not gonna know 15 plus 7?
But nobody know now.
My sister, I'm going to tell you, you are wicked. God will judge you. Easy be talk true. If not you, on your wedding day to the religious or to that widow, they can't ask you.
Which widow?
Widow now, name person name now. So they can't ask you if 15 plus 7, talk through, will you go get the answer?
The first question when I go ask now, I'll tell her, I don't understand. What's that?
No, but no, they say no ask question.
Don't ask question, just answer.
Answer the question.
I'll get them now.
But get out. When you think of hall, money of hall where you pay, money of we where the MC event. In case you don't know, me and Katim with the MC event
with the MC event funeral.
No, I'm not MC Obito. Not be me and you. Not be me and you. We not the MC funeral. Not only had the MC funeral. I'm not the MC funeral.
Christmas party.
But Jesus.
I feel a party now. I feel no party.
With the move over, that's what market
now. Anniversary, Christmas.
Easter. But you know you call burial not day. Burial not be party. With the MC wedding, with the MC any birthday party.
$15,000 now.
Private. Anything with the MC, easy bit you go fit call them too. In case you want to get our phone number, if you want to to MC, we can do it, kill it. If you want to look at him, she can kill it. If you want to easy bit, he can scratch it. If you want to get my number to take for no us, my brother, if you not sell your market, nobody will sell them for you. Go on top of Instagram, my phone number there. Call us.
If you can me, you can me.
If you get me, we don't get Katim. Anyway, for here now we go back small checking a break. Make we hear what in gift. Okay. After she don't off light. When we come back, Chike go down sit down. We start. Gift and go put off light. No, put off.
Put up the lights. Organic one, baby, let's make some love tonight. Oh yeah, gift. Don't you ask